So the first knife that you're going to need is any type of chef's knife. There's a large array of different types of knives that you can use, but the most important thing is that you just want to find a knife that you're comfortable with. Personally, the chef's knife I like to use is this one. It's the Teton Edge Santoku, and it's a great size and shape for me when I'm cutting on the cutting board. But you can also use any smaller, medium range knives, and if you are still learning in the kitchen, you can use a smaller knife like these. Even my grandma, who's been cooking for many, many years, uses a small knife like this. Along with any chef's knife that you're comfortable with, you're going to want to use a serrated knife like this. This is great for cutting through soft produce like tomatoes, as well as traditionally cutting through bread and things like that. This one's a larger serrated knife that can be used for cutting longer fruits and vegetables or pieces of bread, as well as this smaller one, which is great for cherry tomatoes or things like that. Along with a chef's knife and a serrated knife, a great knife to have is a paring knife, like one like this. This is used for more cutting in hand, and in this example, it's great for cutting peaches, peeling apples, things like that. There's a lot of different variety in size of paring knife you can use. This is a more traditional size paring knife, but you can also use something smaller or something larger like this.